The next stop is Brighton Beach. Stay clear of both doors. We'll have a Q-turn. The next stop is Neck Road. Stay clear of both doors.